Well, hey everybody, it's OutLan. How's it going? And yes, I am still alive. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry about that. But I've been tagged by my buddy Bryce to do this ridiculous 5 things you may not know about me challenge. So I promised him I would do it. So here I am. 5 things you might not know about me just from watching my YouTube channel. Okay, the very first thing I've probably never mentioned on my channel is that I am an only child. And that means I have no brothers, sisters, and I am an only child, and I'm kind of spoiled rotten. And my wife tells me all the time that I'm spoiled rotten brat. And yeah, so I probably am. She's right. Yeah. Second thing you probably don't know about me from watching my channel is that I'm a huge tech geek. I'm a giant computer geek. I'm a nerd. In fact, that's what I do for a living. I'm a IT manager, and I write code, and I do all kinds of crazy, stupid computer tech stuff all day long. Every day. That's what I do. In fact, I'm building a new house, and it's going to be a fully automated smart home. I'm doing all kinds of crazy stuff with it. We'll probably have a server room in the basement even. So yeah, I'm a loser. Okay, third thing you probably don't know about me is I'm a huge G.I. Joe fan. Yeah, I've been collecting G.I. Joe since I was a kid. That's all I played with as a kid when I had all my toys. Well, that was G.I. Joe. And I still collect it to this day. I collect the comics, I collect all kinds of crazy stuff. I have a few of my toys from when I was a kid, but I've reacquired a lot of my collection, and yeah, so yo Joe. Okay, something else you probably aren't gonna know about me just from watching my YouTube channel, but I have a huge crush on Sarah McLachlan. In fact, I'm going to see her in concert at the end of this month. I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be like the second time I've seen her. I don't know, something about her voice. I don't know. I love her music. Yeah, cheesy. Okay, one more thing. 5th thing. I don't know. I'm not very interesting. So okay, well, I can do this. I can do this the Vulcan thing from the Spock Vulcan thing. How many people can do that? Probably everybody. I don't know. Okay, that's all I got. I'm sorry, I suck. All right, I have to keep the tradition going on, so I'm gonna be stupid and tag somebody else to do this. So I'm gonna tag my buddy Jason Waugh from Backpacking with Jason. Buddy, tell us 5 things we may not know about you just by watching your YouTube channel. And I know there's some good things about you. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Got a whole cool series on Colorado coming out real soon. Stay tuned for that. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and all that stuff. I promise the videos are better than this.